What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, and we still working up in here. Let's see, just front of back. We still working up in here, so just need y'all to stay tuned, keep watching. I gotta figure out which ones is front and back, man. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Just like I said, we is working. So I think the back is the adjustables, I think. Yeah, the back for the adjustables. So today, right now I'm about to try to get some of this suspension stuff done. Well, I'm gonna put my put these things on here, man. Let me show you. So I'm about to put these, QA1s on the front. Got the ones right here for the back. They are double adjustables for the back. I don't know if you can see right there. You see the double adjustables for the back. And so the back ones on this truck here is TD803, and the front ones is TN403. So I'm about to put them on and figure out how to get my backs done, because like in the last video I told you I gotta shade some stuff, but I gotta figure out, jack the truck up, loosen the shackle up, drops all that stuff, spindle and the shackle, leaf spring, and try to get that thing mounted. So y'all just give me a second, let me try to get this out the box, and so I'm gonna try to get these front ones mounted up real quick. Alright, so about to open this thing up. Slide it up out of there. Got the QA1. I gotta put this little shim in there at the bottom. Done deal. So now I'm about to slide it on over here. God damn. It's just that old tightness, man. That thing tight, boy. Whole thing tight. Hold on. Alright, got it on there. Alright, so it's on there up at the top. Put my washer and my nut on there. Alright. Now at the bottom, we're trying to line her up. So get my nut right here. Alright, so I got the QA1s on the front shocks on. They was simple. Back, I ain't got them on yet, but I'm gonna put them on. I gotta, like I said, grind down the other side. That'll be in another video, but I'll get that done. So front was on. I just gotta tighten them up, button them up. Then we'll get the back done, and then we'll be done with that. So like I said, these are the ones that I ordered for the front for my truck. TN 403. Those are the ones that I ordered. Well, I actually bought these. I went to Summon and got them. So QA1 for the win. So we good with that right there. The back ones are TD 803. And those are double adjustables. I could have got single adjustables. I didn't get adjustables for the front. I should have, but I didn't. If I need them, I'll order them, but I think I'll be fine in the front with the motor setting it down and all that good stuff. I think we'll be good. And then I want the back to squat some, so that's why I got the double adjustables. That's why I lowered the back did the axle flip so I could lower it some. And then I'm gonna put the adjustables back there because I wanted to squat a little bit in the back. So with that being said, I'm done for the day. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all get them in the next one. Peace.